Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to talk all about pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun in a sentence. For example, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Pronouns make our language more concise and easy to understand. Let's understand with example. Instead of saying John is going to the store and John will buy milk, you can say John is going to the store and he will buy milk. The pronoun he replaces the noun John, making the sentence more concise and easier to understand. In other words, pronouns help to simplify language, avoid repetition, clarify meaning, and improve communication. Let's discuss different types of pronouns. These are the 6 primary categories of pronouns: personal, possessive, reflexive, demonstrative, interrogative, and indefinite pronouns. Let's discuss one by one. Personal pronouns. These pronouns replace names of people or things. For example, he, she, it, I, we, you, and they. Let's take another examples to make it clear. I'm going to the store. I is a first person singular pronoun. You are my best friend. You is a second person singular pronoun. Now moving towards the next type, that is possessive pronouns. These pronouns show ownership or belongings. For example, mine, yours, his, her, its, ours, and theirs. For example, this book is mine. Mine shows ownership. The second example is that car is yours. Yours show ownership, that is possessive pronoun. Our third type is reflexive pronouns. These pronouns refer back to the subject. For example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, and ourselves. Let's understand with examples. I cut myself. Myself refers to the subject I. Second example is she gave herself a gift. Herself refers to the subject she. These are the examples of reflexive pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns point out specific things. For example, this, that, these, and those. This cake is delicious. This points out a specific thing about cake, that is delicious. That car is expensive. That points out a specific thing about car, that is expensive. Interrogative pronouns. These pronouns ask questions like who, what, which, whose, and whom. Who is your favorite teacher? Who asks about a person? What time is it? What asks about a thing? Indefinite pronouns. These pronouns refer to non-specific things or people. For example, someone, something, somewhere, anyone, anything, and anywhere. Let's take some examples. Someone is at the door. Here, someone refers to a non-specific person. Second example is anything is possible. Anything refers to a non-specific thing. These are some common examples of indefinite pronouns. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching.